Sink or swim, the extraordinary science behind bad eggs. Welcome back to our exciting channel where we crack open the truth about some seriously scrambled topics. Today, hold on tight because we're diving into the mysterious world of bad eggs. Yep, that's right, those sneaky floaters you need to watch out for. Now, I know what you're thinking, why do eggs float? Is it witchcraft? Sorcery? Not really, my friends. Let me lay it all out for you. Ta-da! The egg sinks to the bottom like a seasoned scuba diver. You see, my dear viewers, the freshness of the egg determines its buoyancy. Fresher than a freshly picked flower, the egg races down to the bottom because the air cell inside is small. But for those old, fuddy-duddy eggs, the air cell grows larger over time. So, when we place them in the water, these rotten rascals float, just hanging out there in the pool party for eternity. Oh, the betrayal! Folks, do you really want to consume eggs that have decided to become professional floaters? Nah. It's time to bid them farewell and get rid of those bad boys. Sayonara, rotten eggs. Now, let me drop another excellent fact on you. When it comes to the creme de la creme of eggs, the pasture-raised ones take the crown. Oh yeah, those eggs are not just regular eggs, they're super eggs. Super Eggman! Pasture-raised eggs come from happy hens who frolic freely in the great outdoors. They feast on grass and pick their food like dinosaurs. These top-tier eggs are not only healthier for you, but also help support responsible and ethical farming. That's a win-win, my fellow egg enthusiasts. So remember, my dear viewers, next time you're playing water games with eggs, if it floats, it gloats. Straight into the trash can. When it comes to excellence, pasture-raised eggs reign supreme. Thanks for joining us on our excellent adventure. Don't forget to crack that like button and poach that subscribe button for more super entertaining videos. Until next time, keep on scrambling in this egg-stacular world. Bye.